Okay, so these are the law of indices. Ada 1 sampai 6. Just ingat and hafal. So simple. Kalau a power of 0 is equals to 1, 1 over an is equal to a power of negative n. And if we have the root of n, then it is equivalent to a power of 1 over n. Okay. And next, number 4, n multiply by m. So just multiply the power. Okay. And if the operation is multiplication between the base, okay, so we're just going to add in the power n plus m. Okay. So inversely, kalau dia division, we're just going to subtract the power. Okay. So with that in mind, let's look at a few examples. So the first example would be okay, kita kena simplify. Okay, simplify. Okay, if you see, first you have to look at the operation. This is between multiplication and division. Okay, multiplication and division. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to reduce the number to the smallest base. So you see the number 2, 8 and 4, what do they have in common is you can see that 2 is cannot reduce to the smallest base. It is the smallest base, kan? 2 cannot be reduced. Okay, 8 is 2 power of 3, and then the power is just going to copy back, n plus 1 divide by 4 is 2 power of 2, and then copy back the power to n plus 2. Okay, next step we're going to expand the power. Okay, 2 power of n, 2, 3 times n is 3n plus 3 divide by 2, 4n plus 4. Okay, now we are going to apply the law of indices. So as you can see from the previous page, okay, let's look at rule number 5 and 6. Okay, because just now our example involve multiplication and division, kan? So if you see here, multiplication going to add in our power, and division going to subtract our power. So now 2 n, and then multiplication, meaning we're going to add power of 3n plus 3, and then subtract, don't forget your bracket, 4n plus 4. Okay, now we just solve the power, n plus 3n plus 3. Okay, just to remove the bracket, you must expand. Okay, expand one by one. So dia jadi negative 4n minus 4. Okay, alright, so just solve for the n, the number n plus 3n, 4n minus 4n is hilang. Okay, so 4n minus 4n, 0. Okay, and then 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So your answer should get 2 power of negative 1, or you can write as 1 over 2. Okay. Okay, let's see the next example. Okay, so this is between, the operation is addition and subtraction. Okay, so you're going to use a different approach. So just now is multiplication and division, you have to reduce to the smallest base, kan? But now with addition and subtraction, you're going to divorce the power. Okay, what I mean by divorce, macam ni, so 2n, okay, plus 2n plus 2 is 2n multiply by 2 power of 2. Okay, so this one is rule number 5. Okay, so it's actually from here, okay, become here, macam tu je. So we're going to divorce the power. So 2n plus 2 dia jadi 2n times 2 power of 2. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing to the one in the inside bracket. 2n minus meaning divide 2. Okay, okay, now so as you can see, each of the term consists of 2n. Okay, so another way to write this one is, kalau cannot see it clearly kan, 2n plus 2 power of 2 is 4 for 2n plus 3 over 2 2n. Okay, okay, so I haven't solved anything. I haven't solved anything. This is just an equivalent to the first step. Okay, so another way to write this is as this. Okay, so you can see clearly that each term has 2n. So now we're just going to factorize the same way how you factorize. Macam let's say we have like x plus 4x minus 3 over 2x. Okay, so we're just going to take out the x in each of the terms. So dia jadi 1 plus 4 minus 3 over 2. Okay, so same thing, we just do to 2n instead of x is 2n. So take out the 2n in each of the terms. So it will become 1 plus 4 minus 3 over 2. Okay, so from here you're just going to use your calculator and just solve for the one inside bracket. So you'll get 5 minus 3 over 2, which is 7 over 2. Okay, okay, so this is not done yet. Okay, so you see we have 2 at the denominator. So 2 is 2n 7. 2 is like 1 over 2 kan, 1 over 2 ni. Okay, then 1 over 2 ni is actually 2 power of negative 1. Okay, so the operation between 2n 7 and 2 power of negative 1 is multiplication kan. So we're just going to apply again rule number 5. Okay, so 2n plus negative 1, 7 cannot do anything lah, dah habis lah. Okay, 7 is just 7. So just solve for this one, simplify, and minus 1 7. Okay, so this is the most simplified answer. Okay, alright, let's try. You can pause this video and try this question. Okay, okay, so this one is, the operation is subtraction kan. So we know that if subtraction we have to divorce. Okay, but this one kalau you nampak, the number is actually ada relation, which is 5 and 25 we can reduce to the smaller space, in which 25 is 5 power of 2. Okay, copy back the x and then minus 5 3x divide by 5 power of 4 equals to 0. Okay, now before that, if the question asks for solve kan, solve maksudnya we want to find the x. Okay, it's different with simplification. Simplify, you don't expect an answer, a value at the end of your working. Okay, so you can leave your answer like this. So kalau solve, your final value must be a number. Okay, okay, so now I'm going to find x. We can move this number to right hand side, so it will become positive 5 3x divided by 5 power of 4. Now okay, so macam maths biasa, move this to the other side, dia jadi multiply kan, multiply. So 5 power of 4 times 5 2x equal to 5 power of 3x. Okay, so from here you can apply rule number 5, di mana kalau multiplication kita akan add 4 plus 2x sama dengan 5 power of 3x. Okay, now we have one term on left hand side and one term on right hand side, so you can compare the power. Okay, so compare the power. Okay, compare. So 4 plus 2x equals to 3x. 3x minus 2x, x. So x equals to 4. This is your final answer.